Good morning, class 9. Today we are going to start chapter number 5, simultaneous linear equation, exercise 5.2. In this exercise, we will learn about the elimination method, how to solve the equation by elimination method. Okay. So first of all, in the first question, part 1, 3x plus 4y is equals to 10, 2x minus 2y is equals to 2. It is given. So we'll write that as first equation and second equation. After that, we have to make anything equal, like we can make 3x and 2x x coefficients of x equal or coefficient of y equal. Okay, so I am choosing coefficient of y to make it equal. So for making this equal, we have to multiply this equation with 2. So we'll multiply this equation with 2. It will become 2 2s are 4x, 2 2s are 4y, and 2 2s are 4. So it has become 4x minus 4y is equals to 4. And the first equation is 3x plus 4y is equals to 10. Now adding both the equations, so this will cut, plus 4y and minus 4y will cut each other. So what are we left with? 4 plus 3, that is 7x, and here 4 plus 10 is equals to 14. So 7x is equals to 14. So x is equals to 14 upon 7, that is equals to 2. Now we have got the value of x. We'll put the value of x in any of the equations we can put. I have put in the second equation, so we'll put the value in second equation. So we have got 2 2s are 4, minus 2y is equals to 2, that is equals to 4 minus 2y is equals to 2, minus 2y is equals to 2 minus 4, so y is equals to minus 2 by 2, that is equals to 1. So we have got the answer of y is equals to 1. Now question number 2, part 1. 3 by 4x minus 2 by 3y is equals to 1, and 3 by 8x minus 1 by 6y is equals to 1. These are the two equations. So now we have to make again both the equations, at least one of the coefficients equal. So I am choosing x. So here we have to make it as 3 by 8. So we'll multiply with half. So multiplying the first equation with 1 by 2. So we are getting 3 by 8x minus 2 by 3 into 2, that is 6. So 2 by 6y, that is equals to 1 by 2. Now next equation we'll write 3 by 8x minus 1 by 6y is equals to 1. Now subtracting the two equations. So when we'll subtract, we'll get, this will be converted to plus. So it will be minus 2 by 6 plus 1 by 6y is equals to 1 by 2 minus 1. So 1 by 2 minus 1 will be 1 by minus 1 by 2, and here it will be minus 1 by 6. Now y is equals to minus 1 by 2, multiply, this will be shifted to the other side and it will become minus 6. So 2 3s are 6, so minus 3, minus will become plus. So your answer is y is equals to 3. Okay. Now we have got the value of y, so we'll put the value of y in the equation 1 and we'll get the value of x also. So it will be 3 by 4 x minus 2 by 3 multiply 3, that is equals to 1. So 3 by 4 x is equals to 3 will cut each other, so we get 2 is equals to 1. So 2 will be shifted to the other side, it will become plus 2. Now 1 plus 2 is 3, and this will be shifted to the other side, so it will be reversed, so it will become 4 by 3. Now 3 will cut each other, so your answer is x is equals to 4. Okay, question number 4, part 1. Here x by 6 is equals to y minus 6, and 3x by 4 is equals to 1 plus y is the question. So the first equation we can write it as x is equals to 6. So x is equals to, we can write it as, this 6 will be shifted to the other side, so it will be multiplied to the equation, so it will become 6y minus 36. Now 6y is shifting to this side, that will become x minus 6y is equals to minus 36. Okay, this is your equation number 1. The next equation is 3x by 4 is equals to 1 plus y. Now 4 will be shifted to the other side, so it will become 3x is equals to 4 1 plus y. Now again 4y will be shifted to the left hand side, so it will be 3x minus 4y is equals to 4. This is equation number 2. Now we have got the equations. Now we'll equate it, making it equal. I'm making the x is equal, so we will multiply the first equation to 3. So we'll get 3x minus 18y minus 108. Okay, we are multiplying it to 3. Now this will be 3x minus 4y is equals to 4. Now subtracting, so 18 minus 4, that will be 14, and because minus is in 18, so it will be minus 14y is equals to minus 112. So y is equals to minus 112 by minus 14, that is equals to 8 is your answer. Now we have got the value of y, we'll put it in the equation 1, so we have got the value of x also. Okay. Next question is question number 7. Here 4x plus x minus y by 8 is equals to 17 and 2y plus x minus 5y plus 2 by 3 is equals to 2. Again we have to make a simple equation out of it. So how to make it? Again multiply this 8 to 4, so it will become 32x plus x minus y by 8 is equals to 17. Now 8 will be shifted to the other side and this will be solved. So 32 plus x is equals to 33x minus y, and 17 multiply 8, that is 136. So we have got the first equation. Now the second equation, again making it equal, so it will be 3 multiplied to this and this also, so it will be 3 to the 6y and this will be 3x minus 5y. When the bracket will be opened, it will become minus 2 by 3 is equals to 2. Now 3 will be shifted to the other side, so it will be 3x, 6y minus 5y will be y, and 3x here minus 2 is equals to 6. Okay, now this 2 will be shifted to right hand side, so it will be minus 2 will become plus 2, so 6 plus 2 will be 8. So the answer is 3x plus y is equals to 8. Now we have got two equations. Again by elimination method we can solve it out. Okay, so here we can see plus y and minus y both have the coefficients 1, so that's why we'll just subtract them, just add them. When you will add it, plus minus will cut each other, so we are left with 33 plus 3, that is equals to 36x, and here 136 plus 8, that is equals to 144. So x is equals to 144 by 36, that is equals to 4. Now putting the value of x in equation 2, that is 3x plus y is equals to 8. So 3 4s are 12 plus y is equals to 8. 12 will be shifted to the other side, so it will become minus 12. So 8 minus 12 is minus 4. Okay, so that's your answer. Okay class, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.